My name is Monika and I'm here with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to do a fabulous dish with prawns. It's really very easy. It's very hard to screw up. If you're one of those people that always overcooks their prawns, this is perfect. So what you need is you need a cast iron pan, a layer of foil, plus another layer of foil. Go like this. Then you get some sea salt. This is in Chinatown. You get some really inexpensive sea salt, which is actually very, very good, out of Vietnam or Thailand. So salt all around. Gonna use a little bit more for my prawns. And now what we're going to do is we'll put this on the stovetop. Turn it up on high. Put the lid on. It'll be just a few minutes. We have some lovely prawns here. They've already been deveined. That's usually a black strip here, which is actually the poop, but don't worry about it. These are beautiful at this time of the year. These are not spotted prawns. They're just regular prawns here. The salt is getting a bit hot. It starts to crackle sometimes as well. That means we're just about ready to get there. So all I'm doing now, I haven't done anything to the prawns other than wash them with a little bit salt water and then wash them off. But I'm not doing anything. What the salt actually does to any food, not only to prawns, but what it does is the salt makes all the liquid stay inside whatever it is you're cooking. So that's why it's becoming juicy. And you cannot overcook it unless you leave it for days. But even then it is juicy. So you can cook a trout in there this way, any kind of salmon if you like. You can use some big prawns, anything is worthwhile to do this, whether it is home or on the barbecue. There, you hear it? We're crackling. We got a nice Christmas fire here. Oh, the other thing I wanted to do is take a little bit of mint, and what I do with the mint, just hit it a few times and all the oils will come out. Just throw it on there and we'll get these nice flavors. I want the minty flavor today. This will be about 3 to 4 minutes. While this is cooking, it'll be another minute. I can show you how to cut a lime the proper way. First of all, always roll your lime or lemon. You can even roll your oranges. The more juice you want to get out, the better it is. It just relaxes it. It's like an acid. It's just kind of relaxing. Don't cut it in half this way and don't cut it in half this way. Just cut it off on the side like this. This way, you will get a lot of juice out of your limes. See how much you're getting out of that? You wouldn't get this out of any other way because the way the lemon runs completely different than a lime. Anyway, I'm going to show you a little, it's not a sauce, it's just a dipping spice that they use in Phu Quoc. It's a southern part of Vietnam. It's a beautiful island. It's between Cambodia and Vietnam. And it's just a gorgeous island. If you ever want to go there, you must go with me. I know some wonderful places. Anyway, what they're doing, they grow pepper in Phu Quoc, and of course they have one of the best seafood, fresh seafood and prawns. Some of these prawns are about this large. They have some beautiful pepper. It's like a white and dark. You take this, and they take a little bit of salt, depending how much pepper you like or how much salt you like. They're mixing this up like this. And then they just put a little bit of lime juice on it just before, and that's it. We also have a carrot top pesto sauce. I put a link below for you if you like to make this fabulous dipping sauce. Look at this, beautiful. This is great for snacks, appetizer, on the beach, on the barbie, with the frying pan. You don't have to worry, and everybody will love your prawns. So you just hold on to the prawn. Usually just squeeze a little bit on the tail side. And there we go. Here we are, a little dip. Delicious. Divine. Here we go. Prawns in sea salt, cooked in 3-4 minutes. Beautifully done, very fast, nothing to do, all ready for you. If you enjoyed my video, please Subscribe, like, follow, but most of all, please cook. See you next time.